Now that you're gone, I spend my nights all alone here, wishing you were here, sweet atmosphere. The sun is going down and I am getting wild. It's sun are going down, my intentions are mild.
So the first thing we see on the touch panel is this smart ThinQ badge over here, which means that you can connect this appliance with the ThinQ app, which is available on Play Store as well as the App Store. So you can just download it from over there and you can control this whole appliance from the app itself. So you can just change the temperature controls, or you can even lock this panel and just operate the whole thing from your phone. So it works on the Wi-Fi. Over here you can see there's a Wi-Fi symbol. So if you just, I'll show you, there's a hygiene fresh button. If you just press this for 3 seconds, the Wi-Fi logo will keep blinking until you connect your phone to it. So that is it, guys. And also this is a dual fridge model, so you get you can just convert the top part of the refrigerator to just like the normal part, so it will just be converted to this fridge as well. So the freezer compartment turns off and it converts to the normal fridge. So that is also awesome. All of the fridges nowadays come with this dual thing inside them, and this is also a freezer converter. So currently it's on the -18 degrees Celsius, and now I'll just tap it once to change the temperature. It goes all the way low to -23 and all the way high to -15. So I think the normal range is between -17 to -18. So I'll just keep over there, and the button right to it is about the fridge, which is about this lower compartment. So it goes all the way down to 0 degrees Celsius, and the highest is 6. And this is the power button about the hygiene fresh, which I'll just show you in a moment. So over there you can see there's a blue light blinking over there, and which says the hygiene fresh plus. So I'll just talk about it in a moment. Meanwhile, I'll just show you that if you press this button, this completely turns off, and you can see that the blue light is right off. So now if I press this once again, so the blue light just turned on, and right now the power is not written over here because this is right now on the auto mode. So it will turn on once for 10 minutes in 1 hour. So that is how it works. I tap it once again, it will be on power mode, so it will be on for continuous time, and it's turned off. Again, I just turn it on to switch it to auto mode. Right. And the Wi-Fi logo keeps blinking. If you don't connect to the Wi-Fi of the fridge, it will automatically turn off within 2 to 3 minutes, and you can hear a beep that it just turned off. And over here you can see is the lock button. So if I keep it pressed for 3 seconds, the lock is activated, and now no matter what button I press, it won't work unless I unlock this. So again I press it for 3 seconds and it unlocked. See, the Wi-Fi blinking light just went off and it beeped. So that is how it works. The touch control panel is very much intuitive. Now talking about this labels over here, the main label is about the power saving. It's a 4-star refrigerator. Well, on the Amazon they have written that this is a 3-star refrigerator, which I think is a mistake. It is actually a 4-star refrigerator, and it consumes 232 units per year. So that is it. And this is a 437 liters model, out of which you get the 403 liters of storage volume. Let's see over here, 403 liters, and it's a frost-free type. Almost each and every refrigerator you see right now is a frost-free type. And this is a model and the year of make, that is 2019. LG brand and refrigerator. So that is it. Make sure, guys, when you order something from Amazon, or if you take it even from the offline stores, just make sure you get the latest version of the appliance for which you have paid your money for. So just keep in mind, right now. The 2019 model is the latest one. 2020 haven't been released yet, so just keep in mind about that. And this is the inverter linear compressor technology about LG. So there is only one moving part inside the whole compressor, so it makes 25% of less noise. Also, it does not require any stabilizer. If you can see it, it's written over there, works without stabilizer. So this is the range of voltage. It can protect against fluctuations pretty easily. And it also talks about auto smart connect, which I just show you over here. Smart ThinQ thing over here. So that is that. And you can smart diagnosis. It just diagnoses if there's any malfunction or problem inside this whole refrigerator. So that is it. And now opening the top compartment. First thing first, there's a dual refrigerator over here, and the ice tray is movable, so it is convenient for you to just move this and adjust the things. So this is pretty much amazing. If you have some stuff to put over there or you're here, you can just move it very easily. And also, if you want to remove this whole thing, you can just lift it up and just take it away. So you can just pull it out, and if you have some bigger things to put it in the refrigerator, you can just put it. And also there's this LED light over here, which makes it pretty much convenient for us to see when it's dark near our surroundings. So yeah, that is it. And there are two racks over here to put your things. Somewhere you can put some anything you put, like sauces and all, so you can just put over there. And you can see there's a door alarm, so whenever I keep this door or even this door open for longer periods of time, the alarm will beep, and it will continuously beep at around 15 to 20 seconds of intervals. So that is also good. And over here you can see there is this logo which says smart diagnosis. So that is a chip over here. So when you place this your phone, let this turn off. Yeah, so when you place your phone near to this area, and when you are on the call with the LG customer care, the guy sitting on the desk over there will automatically know what's the problem with your refrigerator, so you don't need to describe them about the problem. So yeah, that is pretty much awesome. That's smart actually. And again, there's one more LED in the bottom compartment over here, you can see. And over here you can see that there is another grill light thing which can be removed. It's actually a second deodorizer. The first one which I showed you is electronic, automatically and manually operable. Well, the second one over here you can see is manual, and you can just remove it and clean it every once in a while. Well, it keeps every odor and every bad smell away from refrigerator. And that thing also does the same thing, but it is quite more powerful. It also has a UV light over here. As you can see, the blue light is actually a ultraviolet light which kills all the bacteria and harmful germs. So yeah, it's pretty much safe to use. And you can see over here, yeah, door alarm. So yeah, you can see over here there are 3 trays which have been given along with the egg tray. You can use this to keep your eggs. And also there is this additional rack through which you can buy one more tray. They have not included the 4th tray. You can buy one for somewhere around 1200 rupees, and you can just attach it. And this is a 2-liter bottle rack, so you can place all the bottles of 2 liters. There's one more rack over there for small bottles, or even if you keep any spices or pickles, so helpful for that. And there are 2 shelves over here which feel pretty much premium, as they have this dark gray metallic finish over here. So each have the capacity to load 150 kilograms weight on them, so they are pretty much durable. These are toughened glasses. So yeah, and there are also additional racks over here through which you can just lift off your glass and you can place them conveniently according to your need. So that is awesome. And The main patented technology of LG is the door cooling plus. So you can see there are two fans over there. There is the first fan and this is the second fan. So both of them work at once to provide cool air evenly through the whole compartment and just cool all the refrigerated bottles over there. So what happens is, guys, you can see that inside this Fresho zone compartment there is one vent over there at the back and there's another one over here. So you put something over here and they just block the airflow of them. So sometimes what happens is the bottles over here do not get cool, or there is uneven cooling all over the place. So the twin door cooling plus helps to achieve and maintain even cooling throughout the compartment. So that is also a nice thing. And here is a big vegetable tray. You can see you can just switch the knob accordingly, like vegetables and fruit. You can also store vegetables and fruit mixed together. Just make sure that this is the ventilated holes are right open so that they can get fresh. So that is it, guys. Nothing much to talk about. Everything is just like all the refrigerators we get in the market. Just some different things like door plus cooling, and this touch panel has some different options. So nothing much new. And one thing which is new and of course good looking is this color. So it's an amber steel color which I previously mentioned, and let me just remove it. It just looks pretty much awesome, isn't it? Yeah, so that's that. And on the side also you get the same color, just a different material, different finish. So you just can't get that same shine on the sides, but the color is same. So that is it. And on the top you can see this thing over here. It's a printed circuit board over there, so you can just remove it and you can access all the fuses and all, which can be useful for the technician to examine what's wrong in this refrigerator in case there's some malfunction in the system. So that is it. Not to be touched by user, of course. There's a warning over here, and also the lock is also very much intuitive to use. What you can do is you just need to push the lock and then you can turn it. You cannot just turn it right away. You need to push it and then turn it again to unlock. So that's pretty much safe. No one can accidentally just turn the key and you can just misplace it. So that is how it works. There is a good chrome garnish over here all the way down to the handle, which makes it pretty much shiny and adds a little bit of treatment of premiumness to the overall body structure. Also, the LG logo written over here is treated with the chrome elements over there, so it also makes it pretty much premium looking. Okay guys, so that was a review. I hope you liked it, and I'll give you a small comparison between the Whirlpool and the LG refrigerator. The Whirlpool refrigerator offers 440 liters of storage, whereas the LG offers 437 liters of storage. But here's the catch. On the Whirlpool you get 401 liters of overall storage compared to the 403 on LG. So 2 to 3 liters of difference, and I guess it doesn't matter much. But one thing which I like about the LG refrigerator is its app connectivity and the self-diagnostic tool. So you don't have to pay visiting charges to the technician and all. So you are just gonna be free up from that mess. And the app connectivity is gonna be a big thing in the IoT, which is Internet of Things, and nowadays which is very much popular in home appliances. So one thing which I would like to add is that the fridge could have been provided with the Alexa or Google Assistant technology, so it would be very much productive for anyone to come just operate it. So no matter, I would always go for LG because the compressor lifespan and the linear converter is a bit better compared to the one on Whirlpool. So that is it guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the gray thumb blue and subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again, have a good day.
At your feet.